Welcome to the Food Daily channel. Are you ready to make a delicious meal? We start with 4 eggs for this tasty dish. Crack the eggs into a large bowl. Add 1 tsp each. Salt, paprika, red pepper, coriander, garlic powder. Stir eggs and spices until well mixed. Place a grill pan over medium heat and grease it with oil. Transfer eggs to a flat, wide dish. Dip the bread slices into the egg mixture. Dip only one side of bread for better cooking. Place the dipped bread slice on the grill pan. Add 5 to 7 bacon slices atop each bread slice. Use 97% lean bacon for a healthier choice. Dip 2 more bread slices, place them on the bacon. Place a heavy object on the sandwich so that it cooks evenly. Cook each side 3–5 minutes until golden brown. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. Your bacon sandwich is ready. Enjoy! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.